Next topic is normal resident. Normal resident, it may be an individual or it may be an institutions. Normal resident of a country refers to an individual or an institution. Remember, normal resident may be individual or may be institution. Who ordinarily reside in the country. Who ordinarily reside in the country and whose center of economic interest lies in that country. Center of economic interest lies in that country, that is considered as a normal resident. Now we are talking about center of economic interest. What is the meaning of a center of economic interest? Center of economic interest means the resident lives or is located within the domestic territory. It means resident lives in the domestic territory or your institution is located in the domestic territory. That is the meaning of center of economic interest. Second is the resident carry out basic economic activities of earning, spending and accumulation from that location. The resident carries out from economic activities for their earning, spending and the accumulation. So these are included in the center of economic interest. Now, which is not included in the normal resident? Any foreigner, any tourist and any visitor comes in that country, that is not considered as a normal resident because their center of economic interest lies in that country. That is not coming for earning, that is not coming for the accumulation. So that tourist, foreigners is not included as a normal resident. Any foreigner staff of embassy, official or a diplomats, it may be politicians, that is also not included in the normal resident. International organization like UNO, WHO, that is not a part of normal resident of that country. Employee of international organization, any employee working in the international organization is considered as a resident of a country from which the person is belonging. So this country, say from which country the person is belonging, that is considered as a normal resident. So clear, that is clear. What is the meaning of normal resident? Normal resident means any person, any individual or any institution ordinarily reside in that country or the economic interest or center of economic interest is also lies in that country, that is living in that country and their center of economic interest is lying in that country, that is known as a normal resident of that country. Let us take some examples. Suppose we are taking first example, Indian officials working in Indian embassy in USA. Indian officials working in Indian embassy in USA. So, is it normal resident of India? Yes. Is it a normal resident of India? Because the resident carry out basic economic activities for the earning in that country. Indian official working in Indian embassy in USA. So, they carry out their basic economic activities for the earning. So, yes, Indian official working in Indian embassy it is a normal resident of India. Now the second point is a Japanese tourist who stay in India for 2 months. A Japanese tourist who stay in India for 2 months. Any tourist, any visitors, any foreigners is not included in the normal resident of India. So Is it part of normal resident of India? No. It is not a normal resident of India. Normal resident of India. That is a normal resident of Japan. Third is Indian working in UNO office, any international organization located in America for less than 1 year. Indian working in international organization located in America for less than 1 year. Now, any employee, see, any employee working in international organization are considered from where he is belonging. It means Indian working in UNO office, so he is belonging to the India. So yes, it is a normal resident of India. Normal resident of India. The fourth one is Indian employee working in WHO. It's also an international organization located in India. It's located in India. I told you any employee working in international organization is a normal resident of from which country he is belonging. Indian employee. Indian employee means he is belonging to the India, so that he is, yes, is a normal resident of India. Is it clear, girls? Who is a normal resident of India? Normal resident of India means the person is residing in that country, or the center of economic interest is also lies in that country. That is considered as a normal resident of that country. Here we are taking some examples that who is a normal resident of India. Is it fine?